All right, quick video on the Harbor Freight welding table. So I picked up this Harbor Freight welding table. I had a 25% off coupon, so I think I wound up paying just a little over $110 for it, which I thought was a good deal. All the rest of them that I was looking at were between $300 and $3,000, and I didn't need anything that fancy. So I picked this up, installed some swiveling casters on it instead of the fixed feet, so I could move it around the shop. Installed this little vise here. It's made really well. It's decent, fairly thick steel. So far, I haven't had any problems. I like the clamps. The clamping system moves around. There's some other attachments and clamps that I haven't broken open yet. There's the adjustable feet that were on it that I'll probably use for another project. But all in all, I think for the price, you can't really go wrong. It was a good deal, and I encourage people, if you don't have a ton of money to spend on a welding table, but you need one, go ahead and buy this. I'm going to add a shelf underneath of it to store some gear, and probably a little aluminum shield so that the welding sparks don't go through whatever I have stored there. But yeah, I highly recommend it. So go out to Harbor Freight, make sure you look for a 25% off coupon, and get you one of these tables.